Hi, Gary here again. Today I thought I'd take you through the Galaxkey secure documents processes. There's a number of them there. The quickest and easiest one to show you is how to secure files for yourself on your PC or on your server. So you see here, I have a number of different types. I've got an Access database, PowerPoint presentation, and a Word document. And I want to Galaxkey secure those. So it's very easy. All I need to do is right click, go down to secure and click. Galaxkey will then encrypt the file. You'll notice the encrypted file has the Galaxkey logo and the extension of GXK. Now you don't have to do these files singly, you can do them together. So for the other two files, what I'll do is I'll select them both and do secure. And there we go. Now all those files are secured for me and me only. Now, if I wanted to have a look at a file, so that Word document, all I need to do is double click. And as you can see, Word's open up and there's the secured file. You can make your changes to it, do everything you want to do. I'll add an additional blah there. There we go. Save the file, close it. And again, it's still secured. And just to prove those changes were made, we'll open it again. And there you go. So very simple, very easy to do for securing files. Again, let me unsecure them, or unencrypt them, I should say. And all you need to do to unencrypt files is to go down to the Restore button and select either a file or files. Just press Restore. And there we go. As you can see, all restored back to how they were. Now there is another way of doing this without having to go into the files themselves. You can actually go to the subfolder. This is the folder containing all those files. And again, I can click do secure. Done that. Let's go into the folder. And there we go. So all the files in the folder have been secured just by securing the top level folder. Okay. So we've seen how to secure files for just us. What happens if we want to secure it for more than one person? Well, let's have a go. So I'm going to take the Word document again. I right click as ever, and I'm going to do secure for now. So once we've done secure for, you'll notice this group membership box turns up. Basically, this is where you select either the groups you've set up or the individual email addresses that will want to have access to these files. So for example, at the moment, I want to have both Galaxkey Demo 1 and Demo 2 to have access to the file as well as me. So there we go. I've added the two email addresses, Demo 1 and Demo 2, and now I'm going to press OK. As you can see, the Word document has now been secured, and the access will allow myself, Galaxkey Demo 1 and Galaxkey Demo 2 to open that file. Nobody else will have access. Again, to restore, simple, restore. So as you can see, working with securing files on either your PC or your server is very, very easy, very simple. You can set up your own groups with a secure for dialog box, so you can have numerous people allowed access to files. Okay, so we've seen two ways now of securing files for you, securing files for you and other people. Now we're going to show you a thing called the Galaxkey Vault. Now the Galaxkey Vault is a very simple but quite powerful tool. You simply grab your file, drag it to your vault. And basically by dragging it to the vault, Galaxkey will encrypt it and it's stored there. So it's a nice, easy way of encrypting files. Yeah, so a nice thing to understand about the Galaxkey Vault as well is that you can point the vault to OneDrive, Dropbox, those destination folders, So actually you can drop your files into the vault. They will be Galaxkey encrypted and then sent to OneDrive and Dropbox. Gives you that lovely added security of having Galaxkey encryption all around files that you are now sharing up in the cloud. Another feature of Galaxkey Secure Share is you can come down here and you can add any file you like or a group of files or folders to the Galaxkey cloud. Now what that does is make those files available to you wherever you log on. So if you log on to more than one machine, when you log on to Galaxkey on another machine, those files will be available to you. So it's a nice way of syncing your files. Okay, so we've seen how to secure files for us and for other people. But what about if we want to send a secured file somewhere? How do we do that? Well, we could go into email and attach the file there. But there's another way of doing it which is much simpler and easier. Simply right click and do share. A dialog box will come up. And in that, if you do have groups or email addresses, they will be listed there. I'm going to do new. As you can see, I've created now a group called YouTube Demo, and within that, the group member, I just want Galaxkey Demo 2. And basically, all I need to do now is press share. And again, that file is now shared with the person. It doesn't encrypt it in position, but it will encrypt it and send it to the person. Okay, so we sent the file. How do we know it's gone? Well, a couple of things. One, the red Galaxkey icon down here will change to green. This will show you that there are files that are being sent. And also when you click on it, if you left click on that icon, you will see recent files in the Galaxkey folder. You can see that demo has been secured, the Galaxkey Demo 2. And basically, if I logged on as Galaxkey Demo 2 here, when I logged on, the Galaxkey red item returned to green, telling me it is downloading a file, and then I would be notified again that a Word document has been sent to me, so I could look at it straight away. So I just thought I'd show you the Galaxkey sync folders now. So we've got it here, Galaxkey. It takes you in, the first subfolder is your user ID. There are two folders below that. My folder, which is all the files that I have synced to the cloud myself, and then the shared for me folder. So if we come along, under the shared for me folder, you will then see the user IDs of people who have shared a file. Now, in this case, obviously, it was Galaxkey Demo 1 that shared that Word document. And then beyond that, you see the group name. And we called the group YouTube Demo when we did the sharing. So there we go. And there's the document you can see that's come down. So that's the basic file structure, directory structure for the Galaxkey sync files. Once you start using it, very, very easy, very simple, and very obvious what's going on. Let me just show you a more pictorial way of looking at this view. I know it's a view that I use quite a bit. If you go into the Galaxkey icon down the bottom, and don't worry, I will explain all the features and functions in here in a separate video. But just click on the Open Galaxkey Shares. This is more of a pictorial view. So you have two main boxes, shared with me and shared by me. Again, shared by me, things you share to other people, etc., or maybe put in the cloud. Shared with me, things like we've seen before. And there we got our Galaxkey Demo 1. The group, again, the YouTube group. Double click on that, and there's the file. So again, you can see exactly what's going on and the things you can do. You can download it. Again, it's already been downloaded. That status tells me that. You can open the file, or you can open the containing folder. So it's a little bit of a more pictorial view of it. It's quite nice when you first get used. Once you've been using Galaxkey for a while, you just go straight for Explorer and it'll be self-explanatory.